all subscribers to the Swamee Surya channel. Today I am going to talk about cholesterol. Cholesterol, a fatty yellowish substance, is very much essential for the functioning of our body. However, excess of cholesterol in the body is a serious threat for high blood pressure and heart disease. Cholesterol is responsible for transporting the fat in the body, and it provides a defensive mechanism in our body. It protects the red corpuscles and the muscular membrane in our body. Cholesterol is produced in the liver. It is also available to us from the intake of daily food. The excess cholesterol, if any, in the body is removed from the system through the bowels and kidneys. The cholesterol is measured in milligram in 100 ml of blood. The correct measurement of cholesterol in a healthy person is from 150 to 250 mg. If it is found in excess of 250 mg, this provides a threat for high blood pressure and heart disease. The cholesterol has been extensively put into research right from the year 1769 in America. The National Institute of Liver and Heart Institute has conducted a 10-year study about this cholesterol, and ultimately they found out that cholesterol has a direct link for the heart disease and high blood pressure. In the cholesterol, there are two types of lipoproteins. One is low density lipoprotein LDL, and the other is high density lipoprotein HDL. Proportion of low density lipoprotein in the total cholesterol, if it is more, then it provides a serious threat for heart disease and high blood pressure. On the other hand, the high density lipoprotein HDL gives us a protection from heart disease and blood pressure. It gives a protective effect for us. So this is all about cholesterol. In my next video, within 1 or 2 days, I will be talking about the remedial measures to remove the excess cholesterol from the body. Kindly view this video and the video which I am going to release within 2 days, and take all protective efforts to keep the cholesterol level in every human being's body by understanding whatever is discussed in my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and share it to all your friends and relatives so that each and everyone can understand this subject, which is very important for a healthy life. Our mobile number is given in the description box. If anybody has any doubt or needs any clarification, please contact me or my wife through this mobile number, and we are ready to give you all support. Thank you all.